If you start a business that requires little capital investment and you basically follow the core loop, you have the potential of making a lot of money. So I have been thinking for a while, how can I generate money with my game engine, either directly or indirectly? So after some thought, I came to the conclusion that one of the best strategies that I can go ahead with is this strategy, which I'm going to refer as the compounding core loop. Now, you may be asking, what in the world is that? Well, let me explain the concept with something that I know you are very familiar with, and that is the game core loop. If you have ever played Doom, which I'm pretty sure you have, you will know that the core loop is going to be run, aim, and shoot. Or if you have ever played FIFA, the core loop is going to be run, dribble, and shoot. Now, you repeat these actions over and over throughout the whole game. The complexity of the loop may increase, but in essence, the loop stays the same all throughout the whole game. Now, what if you could use the same core loop idea into growing a business? So that instead of using the run, aim, and shoot, you use a core loop such as market, generate, and reinvest. So basically, you will market your product, you will generate earnings, and then you reinvest the earnings back into your business. And you keep doing this over and over again until you reach a particular financial goal. At that point, you take your profits and you reinvest in a second business, and you repeat the whole process again. You market, generate, and reinvest. Again, you keep doing this until you reach your second financial goal, and over and over and over again. Now, you may be asking yourself, can this work? Honestly, I do not know, because I have not put it to the test yet. However, it seems doable. If you start a business that requires little capital investment and you basically follow the core loop, you have the potential of making a lot of money. Not with your initial business idea, but again, with the compounding earnings that you may be earning from each individual businesses, right? So again, I do not know if this is going to work. However, I'm going to give it a shot. I have invested $1,500 and started a marketplace on my website where I am going to sell popular game engine development books. Now, my strategy is to follow this compounding core loop. I'm going to start with the 1,500. I'm going to market, generate revenue, earnings, and reinvest the earnings back into the business. And I'm going to be doing this over and over and over again until I reach a financial goal of $10,000. At that point, I'm going to start a second business with that $10,000 as initial capital. And in my second business, I'm going to follow the core loop again. I'm going to follow that same process and see if I'm able to reach my second financial goal. And I'm going to keep doing that over and over and over again. Now, I'm going to be sharing with you everything related to my new venture. All right, I'm going to be sharing with you what worked, what didn't work, what have I learned, and what you should avoid doing if you plan to also one day create a business around your game engine. So tell you what, subscribe to my channel and also join my Discord server, because we are going to be learning together how to grow a business related to game engine development. All right, guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, join my Discord server, and I will appreciate it if you visit my marketplace, where you can actually buy the books now and pay later in easy installments, so that you can start the development of your own game engine today. Thank you guys so much, and I'll see you next time.